Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 15. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, G for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. It's now you draw S and use black color. S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1 and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one is 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.